What does the personal injury claim process look like? So this is a common question that we get because people want to know, what is the case going to look like? If you're injured, the very first thing you should do is make sure that you document everything that happened to you as it happened to you. So if it's a car wreck and it's on a public street, that means that the police should come out and they should write a police report. If you're injured in a car wreck on private property, try and call the police and get them to come out and also do a police report. Take pictures, get the other person's information, and most importantly, if you're injured, go seek medical treatment. Because if you don't see a doctor, it's tough to show that your injuries were actually caused at the time of the wreck or whatever else caused those injuries. So once that happens, typically in a car wreck, for instance, you'll contact an insurance company or an insurance company will talk to you. Now, if you're going to do this without a lawyer, it can be dangerous. Insurance companies quite often will take recorded statements from you. They'll ask you a series of questions that seem like they're not really that bad, but in essence, those questions are designed to harm your case. Insurance companies only have their own interest out. They don't care what happens to you. They have to protect their bottom line. So that means you need to make sure that you have somebody on your side that knows how to deal with the insurance company. So if you hire an attorney, we'll work with you to give a statement to the insurance company or to do whatever is most appropriate for your case, because every case is different. After you've talked to the insurance company or after you've retained the attorney, we'll send a notice of representation to the insurance company. That means from that point forward, the insurance company should not talk to you without your lawyer present. You'll also complete medical treatment. Once you complete your medical treatment, then we have a better idea of what the case is likely worth, and we can make a demand to the insurance company to settle your case. If that doesn't work, if they don't agree with the demand, we can move into litigation. What does that mean? That means we're filing a lawsuit on your behalf to make sure that you're compensated for whatever injuries you've suffered. The lawsuit process takes several months. After a complaint's served, then you have to get it served, or after a complaint's filed, you have to get it served on the defendant. They have to have a time to answer. And then we move into what is known as the discovery phase. The discovery phase is where you say how you were injured, what your injuries are, and what the long-lasting impacts are. The defense can offer whatever information they have as to why it's not their fault or why your injuries are not as bad as you say they are. Hopefully, you can get the case resolved after you're able to do discovery, but if not, then it proceeds to trial. And it's important to know that if you've got an attorney that's on your side, ask that attorney how many cases they've tried and if they've ever been to a courtroom and actually spoken in front of a jury. A lot of lawyers are able to talk a good game, but when it comes down to it, how many of them have actually been in front of a jury? Make sure from start to finish you have somebody on your side that knows how to handle your case and to take care of you.